Hey, this is Austin Harmon, CEO of PENN Audio. We're coming at you from InfoComm 24 with our all-new studio monitors. This product right here is our entry product to the market, our first product, and we are a brand new audio company located in Gahanna, Ohio. What you're seeing here is a handcrafted studio monitor that is finished by hand and incorporates US-made components and is assembled in the US. We take a lot of pride in bringing manufacturing back to the United States, and this is our first product to do so. What you're looking at here also is our Founder Series monitor, which incorporates a commemorative placard indicating that this product is a one of 25 original run for the product. So for all of our original Founder Series monitors, they will feature this placard. Now, if you take a look at the internal structure of the actual studio monitor, we incorporate a specialized vent design, which allows us to achieve a full range from 20,000 hertz all the way down to 40 hertz with virtually no drop off from top to bottom. There's 4 entire feet of air passageway built into this monitor, which is made out of hardwood maple. So that allows us to achieve incredible sonic quality with incredible deep lows, all using US-made components. So if you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about our PENN Audio studio monitors or about our company, you can go to pen-audio.com.